Dinikitan at binuntutan ng ilang beses ng isang Chinese military helicopter ang eroplano ng Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources o BFAR na nagpapatrolya sa Baho de Masinloc. Ilang minuto pa lang ang maritime patrol. Lumapit na ang isang Chinese military helicopter at dumikit sa eroplano ng BFAR. Dahil sa lapit ng helicopter, naging mapanganib na ito kaya agad nag-radio challenge ang piloto ng BFAR.
Chinese military helicopter, you are violating the flight air safety prescribed by the FAA and ICAO. You are flying too close to our position at less than 50 feet. You are endangering the safety of our crew and passengers. We are a Philippine government aircraft performing our mandate to fly and conduct maritime survey over Baho de Masinloc or Scarborough Shoal within our exclusive economic zone. Be wary of safety and distance your aircraft from our position.
Hindi yata marunong magpalipad ng